Hey, this is Will Middleton from LifterLMS. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an upsell for your course before students actually purchase. So here we're taking a look at one of my course pages, and this would work the same way for courses or memberships. But if I click Enroll here, this is what students would usually see. They'll be taken right to this purchase page. But this neat trick to have an upsell before your course would be to, instead of having this box, we have a page that we link to that offers them the upsell. So I'll show you here what I'm talking about. So if I go to my edit course area, we can see I only have one access plan here. But let's say maybe we wanted to have the course plus coaching, for example. So let me say just the course to make this a little more clear. And then we also have the course plus coaching access plan. And this will be $1,000 for this one. Let's go ahead and save and then reload over here. So we have the course and the course plus coaching. So instead of having our pricing block on our page here, let me just go ahead and remove that block. And what we would do is add a button. So then I'll center align this, and then we'll say buy now. Something like that. So now we just have this buy now button. And what we'll do is, instead of taking users directly to the purchase page, we'll head to the backend of WordPress and actually create an upsell page. And so now that we have our upsell page, what I can add here is to say, today only, you can pick up the course plus coaching for $1,000, and we'll say, instead of the usual, $3,000, however you wanted to do that. And of course, you could position your offer any way you wanted on this page. And then we'll add a button in here. Say, yes, I'm in, sign me up for the coaching. And then, or we can just say, just interested in the course. And then here's where we would add a button that says, I'd like to go for just the course. And so these two buttons will be linked to our access plans. Each of our access plans has this little purchase link. I'm going to copy link address for just the course. That's where this button will go. And then I have my course plus coaching, and that will be the top button right here. Awesome. So now that I have my page created, I can link to this page right from my course. So that's where this buy now button goes, is to my upsell page, and then I'll update, and that'll be everything I need for the process. So when students come to my course page, they'll click buy now. They'll be here on the upsell page where they can either sign up for the coaching, head to the $1,000 access plan, or they could say just interested in the course, and they can click on that one and pick up just the course. And of course, you'd want to come in here and style it up, maybe have pictures, center align things, but this is just the framework and the fundamentals of how this upsell setup would work. And another thing you would want to do is utilize the block enrollment visibility to say non-enrolled users. So that way, when a student comes to your course, the student would not see this button, but new prospects would see the button. So if we view as a student, the buy now button wouldn't show up. But that's the essentials of how you could create that upsell setup by replacing the LifterLMS pricing table with a button that links over to a page that tries to upsell our student before they purchase to maybe course plus coaching or whatever package you'd like to upsell them to. My name is Will Middleton from LifterLMS. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.